How to add a signature in Gmail mobile app. If you want to add custom signature to your Gmail mobile app, I'll show you how to set it up in less than a minute. So let's go. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in into the account you want to add the signature to. Step 2. Tap the three lines menu in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Then select the Gmail account you want to edit. Step 3. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Mobile Signature. It's usually near the middle of the list. Step 4. Now, type the signature you want. This could be your name, business title, website, or even a short tagline. Once you're done, tap OK or Save. And that's it! Your Gmail mobile signature is now activate and will show you up on every email you send from your phone.